Hey everyone, talking about the Peradam by Apoteker Tepe, and I've done a review of this on my channel before, which is funny because in it I was like, yeah, I really basically like the gist of it. I really like it. I wouldn't wear it, but I could not stop thinking about it. I sold the decant that I had, and it was just on my mind, like I need to smell that again. I rebought another sample from someone, and I was just like, this is full bottle worthy for me, which I've talked about this before, but out of thousands of fragrances, this is now officially number 20 that I've considered full bottle worthy, so I do not think that about most things. But on the other hand, this is just about my taste. I'm not saying this is one of the top 20 best fragrances that's ever been made or anything. But yeah, so cute little quirky, design stuff on the bottle. This is a 35 ml, so very small. I don't use a lot of sprays at a time, and this has major longevity and projection, so I did not opt to get the 100 ml size. And yeah, it's cute. So let's get it open. It says formulated, produced, and bottled by hand in Salt Lake City, Utah, USA. Why is this like ASMR? Oh, that's so cute. I love it. Let's get a spray on. Yep. I'm always paranoid after I try, even though the decants and samples of this or whatever that I tried were official samples from the brand. I'm always paranoid when something's full bottle worthy for me. Like when it gets here, what if it doesn't smell the same from the bottle? But oh, I love this, and this is definitely one of the most surprised I've ever been to love a fragrance. Maybe number one was Zoologist Tyrannosaurus Rex, which I really was scared to try, but ended up being full bottle worthy for me. This one, though, the notes in it just blow. I still cannot wrap my mind around why I like this so much, because it has notes that I hate. The notes, not all of them, but the notes in it are jasmine, lily, orris butter, and sandalwood. Jasmine I like when it's done in like a sweet and fresh way, but I do not like when it's like heavy jasmine indolic, and you'd think this would be because this is like a really special extreme extraction of like grandiflorum jasmine using like a CO2 process, like really getting to the essence of it. But it doesn't even smell like the sweet and fresh kind of jasmine to me either. I saw somebody in a review say that it's like a jasmine tea style jasmine, and I could see that more. There's like not bitter, but like something more like I would not smell this and be like, oh, that smells like jasmine, lily, orris butter, and sandalwood. Lily I'm fine with, but I don't love it. It's more just like, okay, if it's there, whatever, I don't mind. But orris butter usually I don't like. I'm not an iris fan, and that's made from the same plant. I've tried plenty of stuff with orris in it, and I usually have not been a big fan. Sandalwood is one of my least favorite notes, in the sense of I don't even hate it, but it's one of the number one notes that if it's in a fragrance, 99% of the time it's not going to be full bottle worthy for me, because there's something about it that just takes it off of, like, even though it's not my most hated note, it's just one of my least favorites to ever see in a fragrance, because whenever I smell it in something, it's just like not for me. Like I don't like that. It's fine in like a spa vibe or relaxing, whatever it's used for, stuff like that, but I don't usually like it in wearable. I would never guess this had sandalwood, which again is so ridiculous because this is only 4 notes in it, and it's just completely like really high quality essence of those ingredients. But yet I would never. Yeah, to me, honestly, it smells like almost like wheat, like fresh wheat, WHEAT, not weed. There's like a hay-like vibe, not in an earthy way, but this does not smell floral to me really at all. As it dries down a bit more, it kind of does. But still, like, not. I would think that it was more like different kinds of woods, maybe, and like a major like wheat type of note or something carby like that. Yeah, I'm really curious what this smells. I've only talked to a couple other people who have smelled this. I'd love to know what other people think who have smelled it, like what it smells like to you, because I'm still just in shock that I love this so much. Yeah, it just smells like a fresh field of wheat to me. That's all I can say, and I don't know why that's full bottle worthy to me for that matter, but I just really, really like this, and I'm excited to have it. As mentioned, great longevity and projection. A little goes a very long way, so I think that this, small amount will last me a long time. And this was, I believe, about $130. So yeah, the big size would have also been like 300 plus. No need to get a big, size of something unless you're really going to wear it a lot and it doesn't come in a smaller size or something. So yeah, very happy with this. Not much to show off with the unboxing, basically just like a small cardboard thing, but this does feel pretty high quality. Yeah, not like, oh, this is the most high quality thing I've ever tried or anything like that, but like, yeah, it's fair for for the price and everything. And most importantly, it smells great to me. Doesn't mean that you will think so, but I am very curious, and please do share if you have tried it, what it smells like to you, whether you like it or not. I won't be offended if you hate it and you think I stink if I wear this, but I just really, really want to know other people's thoughts on it and how it hits your nose. So, yeah.